To complete this project, you will need safety glasses, a power drill, T20 and number 2 Phillips drive bits, 1/8 and 1/4 inch drill bits, a tape measure, a miter or circular saw, a square, and a level. Before beginning the rail installation, use a level and square to check that all posts are plumb and square in both directions. Then install the post sleeves and ring bases. Rail kits are designed to be installed in sections with 72-inch on-center post spacing or shorter, and kits can be cut to meet your desired stair angle. Lay one of the rail pieces on the stairs and use the installed posts as a guide to mark the correct angle and length at both ends. Repeat this process to measure the other rail piece and the metal insert. Trim all pieces to the same angle. Save the trimmed piece of the metal insert to be used later with the support block. Evenly space the spindles in each section. See your local building code for spacing requirements. Use the metal insert and rails as a guide for determining the cut angle for the spindles. Ensure all spindles are cut to the same angle and length. Pre-drill the center of each spindle using a 1/8 inch drill bit. Pre-drill the side of the end spindles with a 1/8 inch drill bit at a 60-degree angle. Pre-drill the metal insert using a 1/4 inch drill bit. Fasten the spindles to the metal insert using 3.5 inch premium deck screws. Fasten the spindles to the bottom rail from the underside using 3.5 inch premium deck screws. Slide the top rail over the metal insert. This is intentionally a tight fit. Use dish soap as lubricant if needed. Use a rubber mallet to assist if needed. Pre-drill the trimmed piece of metal insert and attach the support block with a 3.5 inch premium deck screw. Secure the rail sections to the posts using 3-inch composite deck screws. Align the post caps over the sleeves and slide into place. Use a rubber mallet to assist if needed.